In this video guide, I'm going to walk you through on how to create folder on a desktop, all right? So you can use the folder to save other files. Once you power on your PC, this area you save first after you type in your PIN, your password if it's locked, and then access the PC. This area you see, the first area you see is known as the desktop. Okay, so that is what is referred to as the desktop of a computer or the desktop of a laptop. All right, so here we want to create a folder here. For you to do that, right click on the desktop. Okay, so this will provide you with some options. You can see that on the screen right now. Select the new option. Okay, then select folder. Then this creates a folder with a default name, new folder. So it's left for you to now give it a name of your choice. So here, let me call this important info or important information. All right. So give it a name of your choice. Okay, that you want to use to recognize this folder. After typing the name, you can click out here. Maybe you click here for the folder name to be saved, or you can press the enter key of your computer keyboard for the name to be saved. Okay, now this name is saved and this folder is created on the desktop. So once the name is saved, you can drag this folder to a new position. And for you to drag the folder to a new position, click on the folder first. Okay, on clicking on the folder, it is selected. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Okay, long press on the left button. Just keep the pressure there and then drag the folder to a new position. Once you're okay with the new position, release the pressure on the left button of your mouse. And now this folder has now been moved to this position. Though we created this folder on this screen, you can access it through the File Explorer. Okay, so this is the File Explorer app of a PC of this laptop. So it's pinned here on every PC by default. It is an access to all the files we have in your computer. Okay, so let's click on it to see if we can still locate the folder we created now. Okay, now this has opened. As the app has opens, then take a look at this side. You will see a name folder there. Okay, you see a name desktop there. You can see desktop is one of the major folders here. So click on it. So on clicking on this desktop, you can see some folders and some files that are made available on the desktop. All right, so and look at this. This is the important info, which is the folder we create now. Okay, we created just now. So for you to access the folder, double click on it for it to open. Okay, likewise, if you want to access it through the desktop area here, just double click on the folder and it will open. So from here, you can start copying files into this folder. It is that simple. Okay.